Hello friends, you are most welcome in my YouTube channel Wired Loop Robotic and Automation. Today we are going to learn how to use smartphone proximity sensor with microcontroller. And here we will control light with the smartphone proximity sensor. So let us get started. This is schematic diagram. Here I am using Node MCU, one relay module and PNP transistor. This is BC558 and one bulb. Transistor is connected on D1 pin because D1 pin is providing signal, and transistor work as a relay driver and it provides signal to relay. Relay can turn on and turn off this bulb. So I hope you understood this. Now we are going to make project on Blink app. This is Blink app. Now I will click over here. I will create here new project and I will select here name is I will take proximity sensor. So proximity, okay, and I am using here Node MCU, so I will take ESP8266 is okay, and connectivity Wi-Fi is okay, and this is light mode, this is dark mode, so dark mode is better I think. I will create here authentication token was sent to this email ID. When I will start programming, then we have to use this authentication token number, then OK. First of all, I will take here components, click on plus button. I will take proximity sensor. This is proximity sensor. I will click over here. OK. I will change some setting. Proximity is OK. Pin is OK. Low, high OK. When it will trigger, then it will be high. OK. 10 millisecond is OK. Now I will select pin. I will take virtual pin and V1 OK, and I will back. Once I will play, when I will keep my palm in front of my screen, then it is printing here near. Wow. Okay, so now we will see Arduino programming. Now I will create program. So this is Arduino IDE. First of all, we have to install Blink library. So go to Sketch and include library and manage libraries. And I will search here Blink. And this is Blink library. So I will install this. Library has been installed. I will close and now go to tools and select here board. I think there is no board of Node MCU or ESP8266. So now we have to install board here. So go to boards and board manager. And I will type here Node MCU. This is ESP8266 library. So I will install this also. It will take a little bit time. What happened? I will again install. Okay, board installation has been completed successfully. So close this and go to against tools, boards. Here select board Node MCU 1.0. Okay, now go to examples and go to Blink, board Wi-Fi, boards Wi-Fi and Node MCU. Okay, now I will start programming here. So first of all, authentication token we need to type here. So I will go to my email and I will click over here. This email, I got this mail from Blink. So I will open this and I will copy this authentication token number and I will go to again Arduino programming and I will paste here. Okay, here we need to type SSID, name of my network, local network. So it is Prio. Okay, and password. Okay, here everything is okay. We need to create here a function. It is blink write function. So blink underscore write, it is capital letter. Okay, and I will pass here V1. I took the pin number V1 in Blink app. Okay, and I will type here code. This is variable proximity equal to, I will read here proximity sensor. So param dot as int. Okay, and I will use here if else statement. If proximity I will turn on the light. So digital write, I am using here D1 because I have connected the relay on D1 pin, so it is high. Okay, else digital write D1, it is low. Now I will turn on the LED, inbuilt LED of the board. So digital write LED underscore built in low. Okay, and I will copy this. Here it is high. Here we have to select pin mode. We have to select pin mode. So pin mode D1, it is output. Okay, pin mode, LED built in, it is also output. Okay, so I think code is ready. Now I will upload this code. So go to tools again, and here it is selected Node MCU 1.0, and we need to select here board. So I don't know what is board port number. So go to device manager, and here go to ports. You can see this is CP210 USB to UART bridge port 10. So here select port 10 and upload. Code has been uploaded successfully. Now I will open my mobile phone. I will open this Blink app, and now I will keep my palm. Why it is not working? Okay, just I will again check. Okay, here is as password is wrong. It is Rio. Okay, right. Small letter. Okay, I will again upload. Uploading done. So now I will test again. Wow. If I keep palm in front of my screen, light is turned on. When I remove the palm, light is turned off. Great. Okay friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really like my video, so you can support me on PayPal and Patreon. My PayPal and Patreon ID has given in description box. And don't forget to press like button, subscribe button and share button. Thanks for watching.